All right, what's going on, friends? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter in your Toyota Tundra. Now, I got two different cabin air filters, so I'm going to show you what they look like because I have to change out my cabin air filter in my wife's car too, and they are definitely different. So one of these is a lot nicer than the other, I think. That'll help you make a decision. I think you can go buy this one at Walmart if you want, or I'll put both of these down in the description in case you just want to order it over the internet. It was cheaper on the internet. Before I show you how to do this, I'm going to show you what these look like. This is the Bosch one. That's what that looks like. Now this is the Fram one. To me, I don't know if they're all like that for all the cars, but this Fram one, this is the one that's for my Toyota Tundra. This one made by Fram looks to me that it's a lot nicer of a filter. So I can't promise you if you buy a Fram one for a Honda CR-V, it would be the same. I don't know, but this Fram one looks nicer. All right, you're gonna come onto your passenger side, and right behind your glove box is where you're gonna be replacing your filter. So just open your glove box up. You might want to take everything out of your glove box. And right here we got a little bracket we got to unhook. Just put your finger on there and push it to the right. Just like that, pops right off. Then we got to push in here on the right and push in here on the left. And your whole glove box can just come off. Just like that. And then right here is where your filter is. Now there's a little arrow pointing up and it says up. I'm guessing all that arrow pointing up and it says up is just so when you try to put this cover back on, you face that arrow up. That is not the direction of your airflow. So your direction of your airflow is actually going to go down. So that little up and that arrow could goof you up. It's either that or maybe if you roll your truck over and you open your glove box up and look behind it, you'll know which way up is. I don't know. All right, you pull out your filter. And then we're going to put our new filter in. My new filter says airflow. And there's an arrow pointing down, so that's the way I'm going to put it in. Slide that in there. Take your cover, make sure the up arrow is pointing up. And clip it back in place. And we can put our glove box back on. I'm just going to take this little clip and this little clip, and it slides right over right here. Just make sure you have them completely slid over. And then push up, clip that in place. And we're going to put this piece right here back on. All right, that's it. I hope that helped you put your cabin air filter in your Toyota Tundra. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to help support my channel, or you can check out one of my new t-shirts like this one I have on, Faith Over Government. You can check out one of them down below, and in the description I will have a discount code for my t-shirts. Thank you very much, God bless, and have a great day.